Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we are going to learn how to make a delicious and affordable Mediterranean rice pilaf. This dish is perfect for a summer vacation meal, as it's light, flavorful, and easy to make. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this recipe is sure to impress your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes and culinary tips. Let's get started. Ingredients: rice, 2 cups of long grain rice, such as basmati or jasmine rice, works well for this recipe. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear to remove excess starch. Vegetables: 1 onion, diced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 zucchini, diced, and 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Feel free to adjust the vegetables to your liking. Broth: 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. The broth gives the rice pilaf a rich flavor. Tomatoes: 1 cup of diced tomatoes, canned or fresh. Spices: 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, ½ teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Fresh herbs: a small bunch of fresh parsley and fresh mint, chopped. Lemon, zest and juice of 1 lemon for a burst of freshness. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper, to taste. Nuts, optional, ½ cup of toasted pine nuts or almonds for a crunchy texture. Preparation: 1. Heat the olive oil. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté for a few minutes until the onion becomes translucent. 2. Add the vegetables and garlic. Add the diced red bell pepper, zucchini, and minced garlic to the skillet. Sauté for a few more minutes until the vegetables start to soften. 3. Add the spices. Add the cumin, paprika, turmeric, and cayenne pepper to the skillet. Stir everything together and cook for another minute until the spices become fragrant. 4. Cook the rice. Add the rinsed rice to the skillet and stir to coat the rice with the spices and vegetables. Toast the rice for a minute or 2 to enhance its flavor. 5. Add the broth and tomatoes. Pour the vegetable or chicken broth into the skillet, followed by the diced tomatoes. Stir everything together and bring to a boil. 6. Simmer and cook. Once the mixture is boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the skillet with a lid. Let the rice cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed. 7. Add lemon zest and juice. Once the rice is cooked, add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Stir everything together to combine the flavors. 8. Add fresh herbs. Stir in the chopped fresh parsley and mint. These herbs add a bright, fresh flavor to the rice pilaf. 9. Add nuts, optional. If you like a bit of crunch, you can add the toasted pine nuts or almonds to the rice pilaf. 10. Season to taste. Taste the rice pilaf and season with salt and pepper as needed. 11. Serve and enjoy. Your Mediterranean rice pilaf is ready to serve. Transfer the rice to a serving dish and garnish with a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs. This dish pairs perfectly with grilled chicken, fish, or vegetables for a complete summer meal. There you have it. A simple and affordable Mediterranean rice pilaf that you can enjoy during your summer vacation. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!